The carbon brush assembly consists of the brush holder, the carbon brush and lead, and the brush tension spring. The carbon brush has a spring-loaded plunger inside of it. The plunger pops out of the brush, pushing it away from the commutator when the brush is worn out. If your tool's motor is overloaded, it can overheat the brush assembly. This can damage the brush, the tension spring, and the holder. The carbon brush assembly makes it easy to repair your tool in this situation. Replacing the carbon brush assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear housing. Now I have access to the brush holder assembly. I'll remove the lead that goes to the switch. The holder is held in place with a plastic cap and screw. I'll remove the screw and cap. And I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull the brush holder assembly away from the housing. Now I'll install the new brush holder assembly. I align it with the housing and press it into place. And I'll resecure it with the plastic cap and screw. And reinstall the wire. Now place the motor housing and switch assembly back into the lower half of the handle housing. I'll make sure all the wires are tucked out of the way so nothing gets pinched when we reinstall the other half of the housing. And now I can reinstall the housing. And that's how easy it is to install a new carbon brush assembly in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.